Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device model and Android version so you pick the right method. Once done, backup contacts and photos. You don't want surprises. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled if you may use ADB. Immediately open Settings apps and find HiOS to see whether it's a user app or system app. That determines the next steps. You'll act accordingly, uninstall if removable, or prepare for ADB or safe mode removal if not. You attempt the simple path first. Open Settings, Apps, find HiOS and tap Uninstall or Disable. That often works. If blocked, reboot into safe mode and try disabling again because third-party blockers won't run there. If it's still a system-level package, connect to a PC and use ADB. Run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB shell PM uninstall kuser0 followed by the HiOS package name. This removes it for your user. Make sure you type the You finish by rebooting normally and clearing any leftover cache and data for the launcher so it won't revive. Then set your preferred launcher in Home App Settings. If HiOS persists, repeat the ADB uninstall, or, only as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up everything. If things go wrong, check device admin permissions and revoke them, try safe mode removal again, and restore from your backup if you need to recover lost data. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.